What's up, everybody? It's me, Sergio from Mobility Direct. Thanks for stopping by our YouTube channel. In today's video, it's going to be a quick one. I wanted to make a quick video of our digital voltage meter that we use for mobility scooters that are upgraded to lithium batteries. Now, before we get any further in this video, I do need to tell you about our free product catalog. It's got our latest products, discount codes, and more. If you want a copy, go to our website, mobilitydirect.com, click on the green button at the top of every page that says free catalog, fill out the simple short form that you're seeing on the screen now, and you'll get one in the mail within 1 to 2 weeks tops. You can also call our non-commissioned sales experts, give them your address, and they'll process the request for you, or click on the top right-hand corner of the screen where it says Get Free Catalog. Keep in mind, we have several locations, so if you have a question, come on by one of our stores, or again, call our sales line with the number below. We'd love to earn your business. Now let's get back to the video. So a lot of you may know, if you upgrade your mobility scooter like this Afikim with the dual seat, this is the S4 HD. We have an awesome review video and comparison videos of this model. Anyway, it's been upgraded to lithium. Its original batteries are made out of sealed lead acid chemistry known as SLA, and we put lithium, ProGuide lithium batteries in there. And it lasts a lot longer. The batteries are half the weight and give you more than double the range in some cases. So check out our YouTube videos all about lithium batteries if you want to learn more. This video is particularly for solving the issue with the battery meters, because the battery meters on most of these scooters are going to be calibrated for a sealed lead acid battery, because that's what the scooter comes with. So when you upgrade to lithium, you do get the benefits of additional range and lighter weight, but you lose the functionality of the battery meter and the accuracy of it. Now with this little module, you plug this into your charging port, which is right here. Addie, yes, I know you want to be part of the video. It's okay. All right, so you plug this into the charging port, and what you get is a readout of the voltage. For some reason, it comes in a little funny on the camera, but it's saying 26.8 volts. So I need to charge this up a little bit, because I know it should be around 28 volts to be fully charged. And it has 2 USB charging ports that are built in, which is nice because now I have 4. And that is going to be a solution that you can rely on if you upgrade your sealed lead acid batteries to lithium on a mobility scooter such as the Afikim or any other model that comes with sealed lead acid batteries. So anyways, folks, I'm gonna go for a little ride and check on the chickens, see if we got any eggs. Feel free to join me on this ride along adventure. Benji, come on, let's go. Benji, come here, let's go. A Frenchie on the Afikim. Let's go. Benji, come here. Come on, you know. Yeah, he's losing his vision a little bit, so he has to kind of take his time getting around. Here you go, get him. Good boy. Let's go for a ride. Family ride. Benji the Frenchie, baby Addie, and Daddy. Again, folks, we have tons of ride-along videos, review videos, unboxing videos, repair videos. If you want to learn more about any of our scooters, go to our YouTube channel or call our non-commissioned sales team. They'd love to answer any questions that you have. We offer discounts. The lowest price is guaranteed. Tax-free sales and free shipping. All right. Hey, chickens, how you doing? There's Lolita. There's Betty with the gray foot. There's Bertha. There's Tony. And I think Whitney's making some eggs right now. So anyways, folks, again, Sergio here with Mobility Direct. I hope you enjoyed this quick video. Until next time, everybody, have a great day.